Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are gonna make some weird sounds. Okay, first a shoe. Okay guys, so we're gonna make some weird sounds. Okay, this is a shoe. Okay. Ooh, that's a good one. I know I've showed this many times, so I'll show it. Okay, let's try this one. I wear. There we go. I wear glasses. Really weird today. Today is a really weird day. It just looks weird. Okay, let's just throw these off. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Okay. I don't know what to do. And I gotta grab a haircut. It's real long. It's real long hair. See on the side. Look at that. Really long. Okay guys, so I hope you liked this video. It's much better than I will. See y'all. Goodbye. Oh!